Good morning, students. I hope you are all well and safe. Children, in previous module, we learned about the story of a cloud. Today, we are going through the fifth chapter of your English textbook, Cats Sleep Anywhere. It is a very interesting poem. Chapter 5, Cats Sleep Anywhere. Children, you can also recite it with me. Cats sleep anywhere, any table, any chair. Top of piano, window ledge. In the middle, on the edge. Open drawer, empty shoe. Anybody's lap will do. Fitted in a cardboard box. In the cupboard with your frocks. Anywhere, they don't care. Cats sleep anywhere. Now, children, let us read the summary of the poem to understand it better. Summary of the poem. Cats are lovable pets. They can sleep anywhere, like on tables and chairs, on the top of window ledges and pianos, in drawers and empty shoes, or in the cardboard box and cupboards. Cats find any place comfortable to sleep. Now, children, take out your notebook to note down some difficult word meanings. Difficult word with their meanings. First, anywhere. At any place. Second, piano. A musical instrument with keys. Third, window ledge. Windowsill. Fourth, edge. At the end of. Fifth, empty. Have nothing. Sixth, cupboard. A piece of furniture with shelves. I hope you all have enjoyed this module, and now it's time to go through the worksheet number 5. Thank you. Stay at home and stay healthy.